Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make aesthetic thumbnails in just a few minutes. A great thumbnail can really grab attention and pull viewers into your content. And the best part is, you don't need to be a professional designer to create one. So let's get started. Head over to Canva, which is an easy and versatile design tool perfect for this job. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar and type in aesthetic thumbnails. This will bring up a wide range of stylish templates made specifically for thumbnails. Take some time to browse through the library. You'll see everything from minimalist and clean designs to bold and colorful layouts. Pick one that matches your style or the vibe of your channel. When you found one you like, click on it and then select Customize this template. This will open it inside the Canva editor where you can start making it your own. First, edit the text. Just double-click on the placeholder and type in your title or caption. Choose wording that represents your video while also standing out. Adjust the font, color, and size so it's easy to read on all devices. Next, think about visuals. You can use Canva's library of icons, graphics, and stock images to enhance your design, or upload your own images for a personal touch. Play with colors and layouts until everything feels balanced and visually appealing. A good tip is to use the grid lines in Canva to keep your design aligned and professional looking. The goal is to make something that pops while still clearly reflecting your content. Once you're happy with your design, go ahead and download it in the right format and upload it to your video platform. And that's it. You've created an aesthetic thumbnail that's eye-catching, professional, and designed to boost clicks. Keep experimenting with styles and layouts, and over time you'll get faster and more creative with your designs. So yeah, have fun designing and use these small details to make a big impact on your content.